What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Trey, this is Overland Hemisphere. Today's upload brings us to our lighting clamps. In one of our most recent uploads, I removed some spot roamers that were malfunctioning due to wear and tear after a couple of years of using them on the beach primarily, and we got that buttoned up. Today we use their no drill clamps. I already have two pairs on the hood, one with the Spotfire and one with the Terra 6, and the Terra 6 ones seem to be needing replacement. We want to thank Alpena for sending us these out to replace what we have as we give a review on the ones we have already used. As you can see, they send all the necessary hardware. Here's the new clamp. There are 3 adjusting, 2 on top and 1 in the center, plus your 2 for your aft, down and up. It'll also turn, if you loosen these, it'll also turn on a plane, a 360-degree plane. And it does have rubber to protect the glossed part of your paint. This will go on the underside of your hood. Okay, so let's remove that lamp. You'll need a 14mm. What you see me doing here is flipping this clamp portion of the bottom 180 degrees so that I can clamp the light facing forward. It takes removing the 2 adjusting screws on the top and flipping it around, and the 3 of them. For well over a year, these clamps have steadily held our auxiliary lighting to the hood of our pickup, Samson, our 18 power wagon. So I think that is phenomenal for a non-drill clamp. I'm sure if we would have used some Loctite, they would have lasted even longer. But this is how the cookie crumbles. We didn't, we will on these, and we'll give you another review the next time we have to replace them. Well, there you have it guys. Alpena's no drill clamps, the Clamp Solo. It's a universal light mount. It's 2 inches by 1.5 inches roughly. It's fairly light, just a couple of ounces. 180-degree vertical, 60-degree horizontal adjustable angles. It does have anti-slip designs, rubber pads, no drilling, and mates on mounting points for most auxiliary lights. I have them on the Spotfires, on the Terra 6, and I plan on putting them on some other stuff. So Alpena, you know what to do. You got something you want us to try out, go ahead and send it to us. Guys, if you're looking for something for your vehicles, Alpena is the way. They will be awaiting your orders. Go ahead and go to Alpena Automotive on Instagram and on Facebook. That'll do it for this week's upload. We want to thank you for supporting us here at the channel. If you were intrigued by any of the information or any of the products that we've been showing from Alpena, please drop a like. If you go out and think about purchasing or go to a box store and check it out, go ahead and stick in a subscription to the channel, and we'll bring you more updates and more reviews, especially about these products and those that are necessary for our traveling. Once again, thanks for jumping on the channel from Ray and I. Let's get there.